In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files you shared with certain people in Google Drive. If you've ever struggled to quickly pull up everything you've shared with a specific person, this walkthrough will save you time and make your drive feel much more organized. We'll use Google Drive's built-in search filters to find exactly what you need without digging through folders. First, open Google Drive in your browser and land on the home page. This is the main dashboard where you can access your recent files, shared content, and search tools. Make sure you're using the correct Google account for the files you want to review so your results are accurate. Next, head into My Drive. This focuses your view on files and folders you own or have added to your drive, which helps keep the search targeted. You can still find shared items through search, but starting in My Drive helps narrow things down if your account has a lot of content. At the top of the page, open the advanced search. You'll find it next to the search bar, typically represented by a filter icon or an arrow that opens more options. This panel is where the real power lives, letting you filter by people, file type, and more. Look for the field labeled Shared To, sometimes called Shared With or People depending on your interface. Click into that field and type the email address of the person you shared files with. As you type, Drive usually suggests matching contacts. Choose the correct one to make sure the filter is precise. If you collaborate with multiple people who share a similar name, selecting from the suggestions helps avoid pulling in the wrong person's files. This filter tells Drive to show only items that you have shared with that specific account. Now, refine the results by file type. Click the Type dropdown and pick what you're looking for, such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, or folders. If you're not sure, you can leave it as any, but choosing a type helps you cut through noise faster. When you're ready, click Search to apply the filters. You'll see a clean list of items that match your criteria, owned or stored in your drive, shared with the person you specified, and limited to the file type you selected. From here, you can open files, manage sharing, or note what's been sent out. That's all it takes. With these filters, you can quickly confirm what you've shared, keep collaboration tidy, and stay in control of your files anytime.